Hey everyone, this is our Crazy Laugh Sounds wireless car horn. It comes with one remote control. You can purchase additional remotes if you want, but it does come with one remote control. Now we got the horn facing down here, so it's pretty loud and we don't want to hurt our ears here. Easy installation. Your black wire comes from your horn, go to a ground somewhere. Could be your battery, just anywhere you have a ground source. And then your red wire coming from your horn will go to a 12 volt power source. Could be your battery, a fuse, anywhere you have a 12 volt power source. So this is our Crazy Laugh wireless car horn.